This is an 8-channel DVR, and I'm going to be showing you how to set up and configure it. These are some of the ports on the back. This is the HDMI port, and then this is the network port and the USB port and the power port. So I'm going to show you how to set it up for first use and to configure it in case this is the first time you are installing a CCTV. Now inside the back we have a mouse, and then we have all kinds of cable, and then we have the power adapter also. So the power adapter is going to go into the power port. This is the power port. I'm going to plug it in right now for you to see. The other end is going to go into your electric outlet, and this is the mouse. It will go into the USB port. So look at the back of your DVR. There's a USB port there that you can plug in your mouse into. So, and this is the cable. I'm going to be using it for the HDD. Now, to be able to install the HDD inside, this is the HDD. This is a 4 terabyte HDD. That is what I'm going to be installing on this particular DVR. To be able to install the HDD, I'm going to take out the screws at the back and the 2 screws on the 2 sides of the DVR. In case you haven't done already, like and subscribe to the channel. I have great videos on how to fix all kinds of office equipment, laptop and desktop systems, printers, scanners, PABS, CCTV, security system, and all kinds. So this screw is out, and then I will remove the top cover. You can see the inside of the DVR is empty because the HDD is not inside yet. So I'm going to install the HDD. This is the HDD. You have to be very careful when handling this HDD. If it falls down, it can affect it. This is the power plug for the HDD. I'm going to open it up and plug it to the HDD. And this is the data cable for the HDD. So I'll plug in my data cable into the port for it, and then the power cable into the port for it. So that is ports that fit only that size of cable. The same thing with the board. This is your CMOS battery, and this is what regulates your time. So if you notice over time that your time doesn't stay correct anymore, it is time for you to change your CMOS battery. So I'm going to plug this into the port for it, and then the other power cable into the port for it. So you don't need to worry about the port where each cable will go into, because each cable can only fit into one type of port on your motherboard. So there is no need for you to be scared of making a mistake or plugging it into the wrong port. So now this is done, and then the next thing for us to do is to locate a good place where we are going to place it. That is very, very important. So I have a rack where I'm going to fix this HDMI, and then with this screw I'm going to hold down the HDD so that it doesn't fall. Now I've been able to do that. I'm going to cover up my my DVR right now, and then I'll screw it back the way it ought to be. Then we'll go to the next phase. So that is just it for the configuration of this DVR. The next phase is installing the cameras, and the next video I'm going to show you how to install the camera and attach it to this DVR. Thank you, and I'll see you some other time.